So we have arrived here safe and sound, as you guys saw. At least we got a 2-hour parking, and you had to carry your own bag, guys, because they don't give you bags anymore when you do your shopping. Yeah.
Actually, it's free today.
Is it?
Hang on. Can you come and photograph this if we were free? Okay, now watch this. Now watch this, okay? Watch this. Okay, so I go like this. Right? Hey, what the hell? Okay.
I might be free parking for markets, I don't know.
Yeah, but watch this, watch. So I'll try to activate it, right? So I'll go like that. Okay? So see how I go? Okay, select space 24 to 95, right? So I push 69, okay?
Yeah.
And then I push OK and watch what happens. See?
Free parking.
It's free parking, yeah.
Okay.
So film that. That's my proof. So
Yeah.
don't you even dare.
Yeah.
So it must be for I don't know how long, but it won't let me, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we go. So don't you dare send me a ticket, alright?
You can see the city behind me. It's a bit chilly, but not too cold. So that's why I made sure I wear a singlet and a fin awful. I just saw a tram go by. I just waited in the shade. Look at that. Oh, there's another tram right here. Look at that. because I love stuff like this. G'day, mate. G'day, mate. we're gonna be off home now. Had a nice little visit. Got my coat that I've always wanted. A coat that my mum used to get for us kids when we were little. So I finally found one. I know it's really hard to get one in Sydney, but Melbourne, they always have it, so happy. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining me and my brother here at the market. Victoria Market it is. You all take care now. Have a good day, guys.
Once we get to Footscray, that's where near where Nissi and them stay, and then pretty much that's the way all the way back to Melton.
Turn right onto Dudley Street towards Footscray.
Okay, none of you want to use this lane? Is there a reason? Oh, this is the street, eh? Okay. Oh, she said right, eh?
Oh, be careful.
Hey, she said right, eh?
Yeah, Footscray.
No, Dudley Street.
Yeah, that's Dudley Street to Footscray.
Yeah, okay. That's my fault.
Right onto Westgate Freeway towards M1.
I think because they're working on refurbishing that market, they don't get their normal crowd, but because the way they talk is like they've been. Oh, I know why they're talking like that, eh? Because they were in lockdown for so long, they must have missed out on a lot of their money, eh?
Yeah, and some of the shop that used to be open
Yeah.
hasn't opened back because
Yeah. Well,
they've given up.
Right. Make up your mind. Yeah, that's fine. I'm trying to avoid this guy, but I've got no choice. He's going where we're going. Oh man, that thing is nice. It's like you make it yourself.
Yeah, it's a fresh squeeze one.
Nice apartments. Yeah, those swimming pool the kids are going to today might have a crowd because of the public holiday tomorrow.
Use the right 2 lanes to bear right onto Westgate Freeway towards M1. Then bear right.
And then bear right when you get up there.
Yeah. Oh, I've got a cap now.
Yeah, otherwise we miss out.
Once you're on here while it's green, they can't do anything to you because it's not your fault.
Bear right to merge onto Westgate Freeway.
Bye, City. Esther's not going to have a 48. She doesn't really want to know that she's that age, does she?
I don't know.
Well, hopefully they get their new house and they can move into it.
Yeah.
Well, when is that? That's far away, eh? They're saving up for it?
Yeah.
They get approvals already?
Yeah, they already talked to the people they need to talk to as well.
Oh, they're
8.1
sorting it out now.
kilometres. Keep left onto Westgate Freeway.
Yeah. As long as she gets a good package deal and it's all affordable, it's good. But if they get a pre-loan, that's even better.
Yeah, the Navman says they left, so
Yeah. I heard her this time. I actually heard her. But it's alright, because when I'm on here, I know where I'm going. I don't really need her after I get onto this motorway. But I still will in case they did roadworks. You're on my lane again. Why are you going on that, buddy? Oh, poor baby. I never got to see her before she left. Mara's
Hey.
baby. Mara's baby. I wanted to talk to her.
Well, I think they
She looks, her mum's twin, eh?
and her dad.
Oh,
Yeah, but they're coming back, if not tonight, tomorrow.
yeah. No, we won't be here. Don't
Oh,
worry.
okay.
Don't worry. They'll be here. They'll be here for you tomorrow. I'm just saying. I never got to have a talk with her.
Yeah,
That's it.
she talks a lot about it.
How old is she now? She 4, 5,
Three, I
8?
heard Myra
3.
say.
Oh, that's perfect for Geneva. But hey, how can her age she's a well-behaved. Oh man, fat Geneva's nothing like that. She's naughty as.
She's
Nevaeh,
peace
I
of
mean.
mind.
Yeah.
How's Nevaeh anyway?
Oh,
Does she
that
talk a
poor
lot?
fatty. I know she'll be missing Danielle. Yeah. Yeah, talking naughty are already free. That's why I said, is she really free or is she older? Because she's well behaved.
Yeah.
Nevaeh's child. I mean, Mara's child.
Mara's always good. Spends time talking to her.
That's probably why, eh? She's mild mannered like her mother, eh?
Yeah.
See, if they look down, oh, you can't see down. But this is a tall bridge, you know? Really tall.
Yeah, I filmed it on the way here.
Oh. This is the. See, look, you can see from here. Can you see from here? When it angles up there?
Yeah.
This is the bridge where they blasted through his daughter off.
What?
Yeah, these
Oh,
barriers.
didn't they survive?
No, these barriers never used to be here. No, they know it's going to survive that fucking mud. Or any bridge anyway. Hey, look at that. Stretch limo, mate. Take a photo of that.
Whoa.
Ah, it's a Mustang one.
It's a,
Show off. A Chevy.
it's a banana.
It's a Chevrolet. Yeah, the kids would love to hire that. Yeah, so this, on the left here, this is the place where you guys went. It's near Werribee. You know the food place you went to?
Yeah.
This is the side where it's on. And this is all industrial new area. A lot of people who live in Mountain work in these areas.